Welcome to Betty Channel.
Clothing. A cap. I'm wearing a cap. I'm wearing a cap. A jacket. I'm wearing a jacket. I'm wearing a jacket. A scarf. I'm wearing a scarf. I'm wearing a scarf. A sweater. I'm wearing a sweater. I'm wearing a sweater. Jeans. I'm wearing jeans. I'm wearing jeans.
A dress. I'm wearing a dress. I'm wearing a dress.
A t-shirt. I'm wearing a t-shirt. I'm wearing a t-shirt. Shorts. I'm wearing shorts. I'm wearing shorts. He is wearing a jacket and jeans and a scarf.
She is wearing a pink dress. Boots. My boots are brown. A shirt. My shirt is white. Skirt. My skirt is pink. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our channel for more exciting videos. See you next time.